Um, so, this is a school project. How does it feel?
Kind of weird at first, you know, it's like, you're just like constantly scooting closer to me.
What do you think?
What are you doing? Why are you still scooting closer to me? You know?
Yeah, thanks for your time.
No problem.
So, now that you know the school project, how did you feel in your personal space?
Honestly, I thought it was kind of charming that you chose to sit next to me, and I was kind of in the middle of this email, and I would have said something. But typically people don't share a bench and there's other seating spaces available, and so you're a younger person, and so I was kind of just charmed, I guess, by the fact that you chose to sit next to me, and I felt bad that I didn't really give you much extra space.
So, now that you know this is a school project, how did you feel when your kids were presenting?
I was in my zone. My attention was diverted for a second, and then I just went back. It didn't bother me at all.
Awful. That's really weird. Well, you know what? Two things. Well, you never know this day and age. It wasn't so much because of the personal space, like I'm pretty okay if somebody stands right here really wants to talk, but it's because you just never know about people anymore. So it's just a little scary.
So, how did you feel when your personal space was invaded?
I was awkward to step so close, yeah. And then you kind of started, and you kept inching, I noticed you inching closer. I did. You inched closer a few times. I thought something was a little off. I mean,
What were you thinking?
I wasn't quite sure. I thought you needed a friend.
So much for that.
I mean, at first when she first sat down, it was like, I noticed her sit down, it was a little strange that she sat so close, but then after that, I mean, I was just talking to him, I didn't really pay much attention to her.
Sorry.
awkward, but I mean, yeah, it wasn't that bad. Kind of nerve-wracking, but okay. A little bit. I was wondering if there was something that you were trying to like communicate with me, or I don't know. I really didn't know what you're doing.
Good. Thanks for your time.
No problem.
Okay, so now that you know this is a school project, how did you feel about having your first semester?
I was a little concerned. You seemed kind of young to be on campus. The whole proximity with a minor was kind of alarming. I didn't know if Chris Hansen was going to pop out anywhere, or...
So what were you thinking?
Why is this person making it sit anywhere else but in between us?
Okay, thanks for your time. This is a school project. How did you feel when you were first met Invaders?
Invaded. Didn't know why you were sitting down beside me. Don't know you. Didn't know you. You just can't ever tell what people these days are up to, especially young people.